Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in previous class we have learned about block 4 home and shelter, our S1 topic, that is need for home. What we have read, we have read about why we need a home, why we need a shelter, because it protects us from heat, rain, cold and dangerous animals. Yes children, now we'll go to the next topic, that is S2, different types of houses. This is our second topic in the fourth block. What we will read in this block, explain the difference between the different types of houses. We'll read how much we have different types of houses. We'll read about that in this block. Okay children, so you all know a house is a place where we live. Yes children, you live in your houses, your own houses. Yes, when you visit your friends or relatives or neighbors, do you find that they have the same type of houses you have? What is the house you live? When you go to your friends, relatives and your neighborhood home, is the same type of house? Do they live and you live? No, right? It will be some difference. Yes? No children. They are living in the different houses. Then houses can be having the different shapes, sizes, and they also be made up of different materials. They can also be made up of different materials, and it can be having different types like sizes and shapes also. Okay. So what are the material used for the building houses? Yes, normally we use like some things only. Normally in the cities we use bricks, cement or metals, and on the windows and doors we use wood. Yes children, now in this topic we will read more detailedly. Now everyone open your reader, page number 29. Okay children, this is your content book. Open page number 29. Yes children, we have already seen different types of houses in the word web, right? Now let's look at the pictures now. Yes, you can see here, what is this? It's a hut, a bungalow, a houseboat, a tent, a caravan and igloo. Yes, now let's read it in brief. Okay children, now keep your finger where I am reading. Different types of houses. Houses can have different shapes and size. They can also be built with different kinds of materials also. Let us learn about some different kinds of houses. Huts. These are mostly found in villages. They are made of mud, bamboo, hay and leaves. Second one is bungalows, multi-store buildings. These houses are mostly found in towns and cities. They are made of cement, bricks and metal. Igloos. These houses are found in places with heavy snowfall. They are made of ice. Houseboat. This kind of house is found mostly in Kerala or Kashmir. These houses can move on water. Tents. These are temporary homes. They are mostly made of cloth. People who move from place to place live in tents. Caravans. Some people who travel a lot from one place to another live in this kind of a house. It moves on wheels and it's sometimes drawn by a horse. Yes children, these are the different types of houses. Yes, you can see mostly this house we find in villages, and bungalow or a multi-store building mostly we find in the cities, and hut is made up of mud, bamboo or leaves, and bungalow is made up of cement, bricks or metal. And houseboat. Yes, and houseboat we can find mostly in Kerala and Kashmir, where it can moves in water. You can see it can moves in water. And the fourth one is tent. This is the temporary home children. Yes, it is made up of cloth. Yes. we can call it, this cloth is called as canvas. It's made up of camel skin. Okay, and people move from one place to another place. From place to place, they live in the tents. And the fifth one is a caravan. Caravan is they used from moving from one place to another place. They live in this kind of house. It moves on wheels. Yes, and sometimes it's drawn from by the horse also. And the last one is igloo. Igloo is made up of ice, children. Sorry, ice, where it is have heavy snowfall. So they are made up of ice. Yes, children, these are the different types of houses. Okay, now open your workbook, page number 25. This is your volume 1 workbook. Open page number 25. That is S2, block 4, S2. Yes, children, this is S2, different kinds of family. Carry your pencil, take your pencil and eraser, keep it with you and write it down today's date. What is today's date? 04/9/2020. Okay, let us see the pictures first. Okay, you can see here some pictures. Yes, what it is? Yes, very good. It is hut. What is second? B1? Bungalow. Very good. What is the C1? Yes, caravan. And D1, it's tent. E, houseboat. F is igloo. Yes, children, these are the different types of houses. Let's read the first question. Write the names of different types of houses shown in the picture. Okay, children, you only write it down. Yes, you know what are those type of houses? Hut, bungalow, caravan, tent, houseboat and igloo. Write down this first answer, children. Okay, you know how to write the answer, so write it down first answer. The different types of houses are shown in the pictures are hut, bungalow, caravan, tent, houseboat and igloo. Write it down first answer. Let's read the second question. Choose two houses from other than a tent above. Write two ways in which they are different from each other and one way in which they are same. You have to not take the tent. Any other two you have to take. Okay. One will take a permanent place where the house will live and one will move. Hut and caravan. Okay, children. Now let's write what are the difference between the hut and caravan and what is same from the hut and caravan. Okay, children. Yes, children, for your sake, I wrote you have to write 2 points which are different. I wrote 1 point, write down second point. Okay, a caravan is a home which has wheels, but hut does not have any wheels. Yes, you can see hut have any wheels? No, but the caravan have a wheel. So this is different, right? And second point, you can write like this. A caravan can move from one place to another place while a hut remains in one place. Yes, hut remains in one place and caravan can move from one place to another place. What are the same? Both these houses gives us shelter from bad weather and animals. Yes, children, both these houses gives us shelter and it protects us from the bad weather and animals also. Yes, let's read the third question. How is a tent same as other houses? How is different from other houses? How is tent is different from all the houses and how the tent is different from all the houses and how the tent is same from all the houses. Yes, same is you can write like this only. Yes, same. It gives us shelter from heat, cold and rain. And what is different? Yes, it can put up anywhere. We can take the tent anywhere and we can put anywhere. Yes, it can put up anywhere and it is movable. And the other houses like hut, bungalow, houseboat and igloo are different because they remains in one place. So you have to write it can put up anywhere and is movable. The other houses like hut, bungalow and igloo remains in one place. Okay, children? I hope this topic is clear for you all. Okay, now read page number once again. Your homework is read page number 29. Yes, this different types of houses once again, and complete your workbook page number 25, that is S2. Yes, write down first bit, second bit and third bit. This is your homework, children. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.